Good morning dear students, welcome my today online class, and today we will continue chapter number 10, respiration in organism, and today topic is respiration or breathing in other animals. Students, animals such as elephants, lions, cows, goats, lizard, snakes, birds have lungs in their chest cavities like the human beings. Okay, and different animals breathe through different parts of their bodies. Breathing in some common animals describe. Okay, I will describe. So the first, lower organism. A lower organism just like incellular organism such as amoeba, paramecium. Okay, exchange of gases takes place by diffusion through the cell membrane. Okay, so this lower organism respiration, okay, through the placed by diffusion through the cell membrane. Okay, diffusion. Okay, exchange of gases take place by diffusion. Okay, in lower organism. So just example is amoeba and paramecium. Okay, then second animal is insect. Okay, so respiration in insect, and next organism have insect. So respiration in insect. Okay, insect like grasshopper and cockroach have respiratory system. Okay, so consist of a network of thin air tubes called trachea. Okay, called trachea. So grasshopper and cockroach have for the respiration or breathing tracheal system. Okay, tracheal system. So spread into whole body of insect. Okay, trachea spread into the whole body of the insect. So these air tubes have teeny opening called spiracles on the sides of their body. Okay, oxygen rich air enters the body through spiracles. Okay, so in respiration in insect, grasshopper and cockroach have trachea, so found in tracheal system. Okay, in insect. And next animal is earthworm. Okay, so respiration in earthworm. The earthworm breathe through there is thin and moist skin. Okay, the earthworm breathe through their thin and moist skin. Okay, thin and moist skin. Okay, moist skin. That's clear. And next animal is frog. Okay, so respiration in frog. So frog lives both on land and in water. Frogs have a pair of lungs like human beings to breathe on land, in water. Okay, in water they breathe through their moist skin. Okay, so frog respiration in land and in water. Okay, so in land through the respiration through the lungs. Okay, and in water respiration through the moist skin. Okay, respiration through the moist skin. Okay, moist skin. And next animal is fish. Okay, or in other word known as in other words known as water animals. Okay, breathing under water. Okay, in other words breathing under water. So fish have special organs of breathing. Okay, so students, in fish have special organ breathing. Okay, special organ of breathing, gills. Okay, found on both side of head, found in both side of head. Okay, and breathing by taking water through its mouth and sending it over the gills. Gills are well supplied with blood vessels. Okay, and the blood vessels of the gills dissolve oxygen from this water and send it to all parts of the body. Okay, so carbon dioxide is brought back by the blood into the gills. Okay, for explaining into the surrounding water. Okay, so I hope understood all of you. Okay, in today class topic respiration or breathing in other animals. So lower animal organ is found just like in example amoeba and paramecium cell diffusion. Okay, and respiration in insect just like example grasshopper and cockroach have trachea. Okay, so found in tracheal system, and respiration in earthworm thin and respiration through the thin and moist skin. Okay, and respiration in frog respiration in land through the lungs, and in water moist skin, and respiration in fish. Okay, or in other words, okay, breathing under water animals. So this is fish, example of fish. Okay, so fish found the gills for the respiration. Okay, I hope all of you understood today class topic. Have a nice day. Good day.